Hello, good morning. What is going on? We are back and the crypto markets are doing great. Over the weekend, Bitcoin pumped like anything, 22.3, Ethereum 1,700, BNB 298, and literally our favorite Gala. I'm very happy. I'm quite happy. I really feel this is the beginning of a making of a small bull run. And if not, and you already are up because you bought Bitcoin at 18,000 or 19,000, you are currently up right now. Um, so Gala was at 5 cents and under 5 cents last week. A lot of us goons, we bought it. We're now above 5 cents. We're at 5.2, right? So if you're taking DCA opportunities, you're watching only when it dips below 5 cents to buy more, right? So while it's above 5 cents, we're continuing to watch, maybe acquire if we see that bull run come in for Gala as well, and continue to wait for the next catalyst there. Let me share my screen. Global crypto market cap is at 1.07 trillion. So we're doing great. No issues there. As long as this keeps increasing, we are happy. Ever ETH, what the heck? 182% up. What is this? I didn't even see this on the chart this morning. Oh wow, this thing pumped in. The name Ever ETH, it's an Ethereum project and BNB Smart Chain and so on. Sell on PancakeSwap. What a scam. I guess these guys are scamming. I love this project. Dude, what? Why do I keep getting blocked on Discord and Twitter on everything? All I ask is, how do I see my rewards and find out? Is this a rug pull token? Oh man, that's horrible. Yeah, I hate when they have rug pulls right on Coin Market Cap, because my own father has fell for this, where there was a token that was trending a lot called Ethereum Meta. It's one of my first videos on the channel. ETHM, right? So this token popped up a couple of times. And my dad's like, "Oh man, I should buy this." But the problem is, you can buy it, but you can't sell it. So it's called a honeypot, right? That's one of the first rude awakenings my family got, to be like, "Oh my God, you can buy tokens in here. And just because you buy them doesn't mean you can sell them." Right. So the developers take the money and they just run away. And that's what happened for my father when he bought this Ethereum Meta. It goes up every day. Every day, this guy is scamming more and more people, and that market cap keep going up. And it's like, wow, there's literally a scamming token out there that's listed, and it's just sad. It's just sad. Yo, Saudi Shiba Inu, how are you doing? I was really thinking about buying you guys yesterday, and I'm like, nah, why not? Probably would have been a good time, actually. Oh, wow. We have a lot of zeros, actually. Dude, how many zeros? One, two, three, one, two, three. Wait, one, two, three, one, two, three, one, two. Wow. It's almost 8 zeros, 14. Saudi Shiba Inu. Is there an actual website now? Oh, wow. View chart on BSC, view chart on ETH. Wait, they're two different charts? Are they the same price? Let's see. 55K total liquidity, 9 zeros 9 1, 8 zeros 1 4. Nah, it's not bridged. You just made two separate tokens, man. Teddy, sorry I'm late. Whoa, Red Sox, what's going on? Wait, there's already 9 people here. It's only been 4 minutes. Guys, please, welcome to the channel. We like to have fun around here. Today, I really want to talk about Luna Classic, right? A lot of you guys seen the short that I made. Teddy, why no Sadi Saitama? I I don't think that's how it works, Red Sox. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Luna Classic, right? Is Luna Classic going on that bull run? And then also I had a guy comment on my short that I made. I'll bring that up too so we can review it, because I think he is right and we are wrong. And it's okay to be wrong. You only get more right. All right. Well, 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 videos. I'm tired. This one. So I think I'm wrong here. Let's see. Comments. All right. So here we go. This is not quite accurate. Um, Let me pause this because I hear myself talking in the background. All right, so comments, right? So I did some math. My math was wrong. So this guy says, "Hey, Crazy Man D, friend of the channel, friend of Shibnobi as well. That's not quite accurate. Dollar value doesn't directly equate to supply, bought, and burned. Example: 12 million today would buy roughly this many tokens, and just today that would take 222 days to burn down." From 6 trillion. Of course, that changes as the price would go up after each burn. But looking at this as a basis shows it's indeed possible in under 2 years. So we're going to go back. We're going to look at Terra Classic, right? So what is he talking about? He is talking about this volume right here. When I looked at this volume, I measured by calculation. So we'll go 1 billion, right? So 1 billion. So we'll go 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, right? Times 0.012. What this gives me is 12 million. This 12 million is not the amount of tokens. So I did that incorrectly. So this 12 million is the amount that would be burned, but this 12 million is the USD value. It does not equate to the tokens. So now we have to see of 12 million how much tokens that would be. So we go back to the Terra Classic. So we know it's at 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros, 3, right? 3 zeros, 3, 7, let's say. So we'll divide this 12 million by 3 zeros, 3, 7, which means per day, this is the amount of tokens that are burnt, right? Which is 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 32 billion, 4. Let's just round up, right? 32 billion 4. Now, at 32 billion 4, we know that per day, this is the amount of tokens that would be burned per day. So now we want to go look at the circulating supply, which is 6.15 trillion. So we take this 34. 1 second here. Sure I don't lose anything. So we take the 6.1 trillion. 6, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Let me see. 3 billion. Need 1, 2, 3. Let's try that. 3. Yep, that's now trillion, billion, 6.1 trillion divided by that amount of tokens we would burn in a day, which was, what did I say, 32 billion? Yeah, 32 billion. So divided by 32, I actually have the number 432, 432, 2, wait, 432, 432, 432. It's literally 432, 432, 432. Okay. 432, 432, which now puts us right. So if this is 332 billions, how much we're burning a day, right? With the dollar value now translated to tokens, we are looking at 188 days to burn the entire supply of Terra Luna Classic. So I am wrong. I said it was 500,000 days in that short. I'm quite wrong. It is 188 days to burn Terra Classic. So I'll make another short. I'll update this. I'll show you guys the right math. But this is now surprising because I made a mistake, and now I see the reason why people are saying this can go up like crazy. Literally, if you burn the supply down all the way down to 10 billion, why would this not go crazy? Right? Now the timeline is within reach. My math was wrong. So I'll definitely update this video. Maybe I should just remove it. Let me see. So I do fact check my own. I'm glad Crazy Man D stepped up. Guys, my subs are going up like anything these days. Like I'm quite happy. I literally got 27 in the last like 2-3 days. Told you your math was wrong. Yes, dopey dude. Yes, you did. I'm taking the video down as we speak. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Let me see. Delete forever. I'll just unlist it. Edit title. Just wanted to make sure that I actually had this correctly. But I will tell you, I these YouTube Shorts thing, it's quite fun to do. It's quick, it's easy, and the analytics, they definitely that's a bull chart right there, guys. Look at that. So I'm gonna work on this even more. Do a few more shorts. It was fun actually. It wasn't too bad. I didn't have that much difficulty. Um, I didn't have that much difficulty making it, and I was able to make it on the computer. I did some reading, so I'm gonna do a few more shorts. I guess you only have to keep it like a minute. So hey, here's a minute of information. Here you go. If I can do a couple of those a day and get my sub count up, I'll be quite happy. You know, I'll be quite happy. Cody Core, what's going on? Happy Monday, goons. ASOL Crypto. I saw your video yesterday and thought you were off your rocker, dude. I was so crazy. I was so crazy. I just took it down. But I was wrong. I was wrong. It's definitely 188 days. Now that I correlated, I don't even know why I thought this was the tokens for some reason. But now I am good. I have done the math correctly, and I'm starting to agree. I now see why people are saying. I still have the overwhelming doubt of should I be buying Luna or should I be buying Luna Classic? But um since the proposition was in the Luna Classic environment, I think Luna Classic is the one that's going to have the immediate burn in the supply. Nothing really going on for Luna now. It's just about finding that entry point. And you guys know before this pumped, we were at $1.08 for so long, right? So we're now looking for an entry point into Luna as this keeps crashing. So we had a lot of people run this up quickly. We definitely have no real support around this area. um Oh, I'm just glad. Oh, I'm just glad you were and not right. I'm glad I wasn't right either. I was starting to worry. I went back, I read Crazy Man D's comment, and I'm like, wait, is it really possible? Can Luna is why are all these creators making videos about Luna and I'm getting the math is 588,000? Nothing clicked in my head. It wasn't like Teddy, you're wrong. Your math is wrong. You're not calculating the tokens. You're calculating money and you're correlating with tokens, but it really you should be correlating tokens with tokens. So because I didn't transfer that 12 million, which is that 1.2% from daily volume into tokens, I never actually did the burn correctly. So what I did was I took the tokens and I divided it by the amount of money, which was 12 million, and I got 500,000 days. And I was like, this was fuck. This was ooh, this was wrong. Yep. Let me actually open this up in TradingView. TradingView, because I think I already charted a little bit on here. Because I got my levels, man. It's all about them levels. You got levels? Lunky? Where you at, Lunky? Every time. Every time. All right, so here's my Lunky levels. Very happy. And this is that quick run up. So I'm still very bullish because we haven't retraced below that 3.3, right? That's 3.033. And the reason that was important to me was it was a level of resistance early on when we started. It also was another break that happened um, during the initial bull run for Luna. Let me go to that 4 hour so you'll see it. So on the 4 hour, you can see the 2.9 mark, and then right here, right? So this was support 33, 3033, which was used once, twice, three times almost. And now I've made that line at 3033 because I think that is a line of support that people that are interested in Luna Classic are looking to accumulate. If it was me and I knew that the high was 306, right? 59, and this is retracing the entire time down, I've been DCAing. You guys know my wallets. People message me all the time. Teddy, why did you buy this? Teddy, why did you buy that? So I actually had that happen regarding Bank Guy, right? A lot of you guys saw my video with Bank Guy. Or wait, I think it's right on their website. So I had a few Shibnobi whales message me about this one. And we're saying, like, oh, Teddy, have you heard about this? So I'm in this. I'm in this. I'm like, I have no idea. What is this? This was when they told me about it. I got in around August 23rd. I sold like immediately when I pumped, and then I left a moon bag. That moon bag was worth zero point 0.1 ETH. That zero point 0.1 ETH turned into 0.3 like within a day. And I'm like, what the heck? This is why you leave the moon bag, right? But as this went up at about 150K market cap, I ended up buying more because I'm like, why is this running? I actually already own this. Maybe I should use it for profit. And I've been continuing to hold as this goes. What this token is or does, not truly sure. I just seen the community was investing in it. So I wanted to get in and also have that. But they do have very low tax, 2%, 4% total. 10 billion supply, so low supply, literally everything we want to hear. And I think it's decent play because the chart doesn't lie. You know, these people are holding, they got a vision, they know something, someone knows something that I don't. So I definitely am keeping an eye on this token as well. But the reason these all matter is because without a true history of TA, you're never going to be able to predict the future, right? Never did I know that if I was holding here, that this chart would pump up here almost 2-3 weeks later, right? So now I look at Luna Classic and I'm like, I don't want to make that same mistake. We could be here right now. We could be consolidating just left and right, being one big straight line overall, because when that pump comes in, when those burns happen, right? Guys, 188 days. I was wrong, right? 188 days these pumps could happen. I'm willing to wait that long. I'm willing to wait, reduce that supply. That price is going to go up, right? You're trying to reduce the supply to 10 billion. Why would this not happen? You know, I'm going to continue to hold. I will find DCA opportunities. So we'll go back here and accumulate as I go down the levels. If I go down these levels, I'm accumulating. That's what matters, right? So Luna Classic, we are now literally trying to find the bottom here. Hopefully we don't hit the 3033, but the goal is it retraces back, continues to pump up. It is still a very upward trending wedge here, you see. And then we have another one here. So it is very good. I like to see that the highs are getting higher, the lows are getting higher too. You know, that's what starts to indicate to me, hey, people are holding. And what's important is look at the volume right now at the price that it's at, right? Volume was very high before, a lot of buys, a lot of sells, but now you see this come down. And what's also important is this RSI, right? I'm a big fan of RSI. Guys, the RSI is coming down to 41, right? We don't usually have opportunities where Luna Classic goes all the way down under 30. So 41 for an RSI, relative strength index, I'm like, okay, so it's not even overbought. Luna Classic is not even oversold, right? And it's still in this area of where we pumped up so quickly, but we haven't retraced down to the support. All this tells me is we are getting ourselves lined up, and it's okay. I am wrong. I was wrong on this on the short, but I'm recorrecting it. I will make a new video out. I promise the goal is to get the right facts out there. Teddy, you're Indian. How could you mess up the math so bad? Man, the calculations were right, except I didn't do the correlation correctly. I forgot that one single step. Imagine if you worked at NASA, Teddy, you would have hurt everybody with that one bad calculation. And this is why we have checks and balances. So I really hope anytime that happens in the future, someone corrects me so I can, because I do read everything you guys message me. I may not respond because now I get DMs on Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, like literally everywhere across the board. Is MMAI a good play? I think so, right? I think a lot of people are up there still on MMAI. Let me see, MetaMonkey AI. 6.2. Oh, okay, it's retraced a little. Oh, so it actually went up to 7? Oh, wow. And guys, the RSI for MMAI is well under 30 there, so definitely quite interesting. Have we wait, no, we still haven't 2x'd yet, right? No, I don't think so. Measure a key. Uh, well, the box freaking covers that up. I can't see. So you're up 100%? What? Yeah, you must have 2x'd. Yeah, people took profits at 6-7. These are all profit takers. So now we're continuing to hold and seeing. Yo, Teddy, Steve C, what's going on? Nice to see you. Aaron F, morning, Teddy. Not financial advice. No exchanges for MMAI. Good play, in my opinion. I mean, the people that are holding, man. This is evident. You know, there's not really true indication of a sell-off. It literally feels like everyone's holding. And a lot of people keep telling me, "Oh, Teddy, they're holding because of the 18% sales tax." I'm at the point I'm like, if you weren't expecting the 2x and you need money and you need to take profits, take your profits. I don't want to hear, "Oh no, I diamond handed the way through, Teddy. I thought it was going to be a Bankai situation where weeks later it's going to skyrocket more." It could be. It could be, but you should still take profits. We could be early. We could be here before we reach here, you know? So very interesting take on MMAI. We'll see. I know they have a lot of catalysts coming. They talked about some wallet. I'm up 100%. There you go. There you go, Aaron. We love to hear that. The goons are making money. The goons are making money. All right. Let me see. All right. So Luna, we got to talk about Luna. So Luna down 20% today. No real catalyst for Luna. We know that there's a big run up for Luna Classic because of the whole burn. That burn is going to be implemented September 20th, if I'm correct. There's 3 exchanges on the way for MMAI. Oh, is there? I didn't even know that. I think actually I did know that. I seen some Twitter posts about it, that they're working on it. But for Terra Luna, I'm starting to wonder. I'm like, hey, how are we going to get those investors to move from Luna Classic to Terra Luna? And I don't think that's going to happen anytime soon. This supply is already reduced. We're at 127 million. The market cap 4.8 billion diluted and 616 million. This is really not going up that much. So I'm going to keep my eye on it. That's really what it comes down to. I have to see if we're going to retrace down to this $2 mark. But if I'm looking for entry points in, to be honest, I may start DCing into it even more, around $4, $3. And then if it hits 2, I don't think it's going to. I think a lot of people that bought in at this in this like bull run are probably holding on to it because they're not quite there for the profit margins that they want to take. The paperwork is done on those 3. Oh, great. Great. That is great. All right. So let me see. Dude, I still can't believe Bitcoin 22.3. Who knew we were going to wake up and have Bitcoin at 22.3? I love it. I love it. Finally. Is that flipping going to happen? I think you're dreaming. I think you're dreaming. ETH going to flip Bitcoin during the merge? I don't think so. Literally, we've done this calculation. Bitcoin would have to drop down to 13,000, 14,000, right, with the current circulating supply, and Ethereum would have to pump up to 3 or 4,000. I don't think there is at least not in our current reality, that's going to happen where Bitcoin dips below Ethereum. Now, a lot of people said, "Hey, Teddy, Mount Gox situation, Mount Gox, all these guys are going to dump Bitcoin. It's going to crash the price. It's going to go down to 14,000. Then at that point, Ethereum will be at 3 or 4,000." I'm like, You guys are dreaming, man. If people, a lot of these Bitcoin maxis, they don't just sell Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a commodity. Bitcoin is security that these guys want to continue to hold for the future because there's so many reports out there. We're talking about a 19 million supply token. Even if you own one Bitcoin of that 19 million, you own a significant amount of Bitcoin because as this progresses, the Bitcoin halving happens. The rewards that you get for validating on the Bitcoin blockchain is getting reduced. As you reduce the reward, you make that token more and more. You make that coin more and more scarce. It's going to cause this price to go up. So what we're seeing right now is this 22.3. Great, sounds good. um, any thoughts? Oh, dude, I'll talk about this. I'll talk about this. So that's literally what it comes down to. Bitcoin 22.3, 22.2, a little bit of retracement, but I'm quite happy with the way it's uptrending. I need that to continue to go. And I still don't think that flippening is going to happen. I don't think Ethereum's market cap is going to take Bitcoins anytime soon. Any thoughts on Ethereum miners going to Ergo? There are some articles out there, might be a play on ERG. This makes no sense because why go to Ergo when there's Ethereum Classic, right? This is something. Oh, 1 second, guys. I have my phone set on to only bring in the important notifications. So someone just messaged me. Promise everything's gonna be okay. Let's see. Interesting. All right. Sometimes you gotta think. So Ethereum Classic, I've heard of this ERGO. I feel like it's a marketing campaign. A lot of people going, "Oh, Ethereum miners are switching to Ergo or something," and I'm like, "Why? What's there?" There's Ethereum Classic, which is literally a soft fork of Ethereum, right? When it forked, it split, and why wouldn't the miners come to the Ethereum Classic chain? Why would they go somewhere else? And this is important because when we talked about this, most of us got in around this 30 to 35 range, and now we're sitting at 39, right? I feel like those miners are coming into this chart with no problems. They literally understand the migration. Once it happens, there was no mining in Ethereum 2.0. They're going to go to other tokens that they can mine, Ethereum Classic being one of them, and I guess Ergo being another. That if you have mining rigs, there is no set hey, this is the token to mine, this is not the token to mine, because I did check this out. It's at $4.47. Nothing in here makes sense why they would go to Ergo. I just feel like it's a great marketing campaign or something. I haven't been able to find any indication that, or is it Cardano founder recommends Ergo for proof of work. You see, I haven't seen any indication other than it's like a marketing campaign. Charles Hopkins calls Ethereum Classic dead project with no purpose. See, dude, this Cardano guy is just like making FUD. Most POW miners intend to mine Ergo, not Raven Coin or Ethereum Classic post merge. It makes no sense to me. I feel like why are they doing Ergo, right? Wait, these guys actually explain somewhere in here. Right. The Ethereum protocol. 1 second, guys. I know I read this. Ergo is the number choice for miners. Aside from the unanswered questions posed by the people merge existing Ethereum miners in the with GPU compatible should they mine. A poll conducted by CryptoVM listed 4 options: Raven Coin, Flux, Ergo, and Ethereum Classic. You see? So I bought a lot of Ethereum Classic. I believe Ethereum Classic makes sense. I think they could go there to mine because it's hand in hand. It was Ethereum before Ethereum today, you know? Of the 4,895 participants, so some random guy made a poll. Ergo was the most popular choice, pulling in almost half of the votes, 45.5x. Flux was next. I've heard of all the others except Ergo, which is what's weird. And next taking 27, followed by 19% was last Ethereum Classic, which accounted for just 8%. At writing 6 hours before the poll closes, nonetheless, Ergo's lead over Flux is a dominant one. The results are surprising as Ethereum co-founder Vitalik recently endorsed Ethereum Classic as the POW chain miners should switch to. So some random dude, the ADA Cardano guys, like, no, everyone should go to Ergo. But Vitalik has flat out said, hey, go to Ethereum Classic. That makes more sense. One user questioned the poll's validity by asking CryptoM's follower basis would act in an echo chamber and skew the results. Crypto conceded this might be the case. However, he pointed out the polls often draw in other communities. So I still cannot believe this. I think it is fake. I just it makes no sense. It makes no sense on why they're choosing some random Ergo. What is Ergo? What does Ergo do? Do you guys know? Is it something we should all be investing in now? Powering the future of finance. Whoa, future of finance. I hear that a lot. Fair start, 95.5% public allocation. Get ERG, future work, Musin blog. Nothing in here tells me like why this token would pump. You're not looking at the ecosystem. The ecosystem's where it's at, Teddy. Oh, really? Oh. I don't know. I just don't see it, guys. It literally does not make sense. Why would we randomly start pumping this random token over like Ethereum Classic or Flux or Ravencoin, like tokens that have existed? So I did look at Ergo. I will look at Flux as well because like those were the four, right? Wait, was that the right Flux? So this one's down. No real indication, right? Now go to Ravencoin. Sorry, and this is actually one I mined myself, Ravencoin. A lot of miners mine it. Ravencoin, Monero. There's a lot. But this is definitely one I'm keeping my eye on because I've seen this in the mining communities as a token that they mine. Argo, not so much. Flux, yep. Ethereum Classics, definitely. Right. And now here's Ethereum Classic. 3871. We're continuing to hold that 30 above 35 mark. So that's what I'm gonna look into. Oh, Teddy, Freeman. You're awesome. Love your show. Thank you, Cody Core. I appreciate it. Maybe old news. ETHC makes more sense to me too. See, that's what I'm saying because Vitalik endorsed ETHC. So why would Vitalik endorse something and like no one's trying to get it? You know, doesn't make any sense. Does not make any sense. By the way, guys, 17 of you here, please smoke that like button. We need a good smoke around here. Wake and bake with me every morning, 7:50 a.m. Eastern. And at night 8:30 p.m. Eastern. I have been reached out. I found there was another time slot that works during the weekend. A lot of the time, I take the weekend as time off, give you guys time away from Teddy. But I've been getting more and more requests. Hey, Teddy, there's no one ever streaming on the weekends. You should look into it. Maybe I will. I'm potentially looking at Sunday. We'll see. But it's very tough. You know, I have that baby coming, so I can't truly put stuff uh, in stone till the baby's here. Then I'll kind of know my schedule and work with it. You know. Let's see. Anything else? No, I think I'm pretty much good. Let's just quickly check CoinDesk. We didn't do that today. What's CoinDesk saying? Who can say who is not Satoshi? Hodlnut and right go trial to find out. What? What? Craig Wright suing Twitter influencer Hodlnut over a series of tweets in 2019 in which Hodlnut called Wright a fraud and a scammer. Hodlnut sued Wright in Norway to secure court confirmation that those tweets weren't defamatory. The trial kicks off this week in Oslo. I don't even know. Endless warn of headwinds, crypto gains ahead of CPI data. Luna Classic pairs rally. Dude, Luna Classic, let's go. Blockchain supporter Near unveils 100 million venture capitalist fund targeting Web3 culture and entertainment. Wow. Bitcoin holds steady above 21K. Yeah, we know that. Ether lags Bitcoin as Ethereum merge nears. Here is why. I mean, Biden, you sell the rumor. They're gonna come back. Ethereum's gonna pump. Ethereum transitions to POS could be POW by the wayside. Yeah. Oh yeah. We should check how much time we have left. I just click on Ethereum and tells you right here 2 days, 3 days. We have 3 days. We're gonna get it this week. This week, are we gonna see Ethereum go above 2,000? You tell me. Dr. Shaman said, "Nice to see you. What's going on?" All right, guys, I gotta go. It is now my time to leave. I will see you guys tonight, 8:30 p.m. Eastern. Come hang out with the goons. We have fun, and we will see you then. And remember, don't be a hero. Don't do it. Stop it. I see you trying. I see you scheming. I see you planning. Don't do it. We're not heroes here. No hero.